Hi, Miss M's class. Oh boy, I am glad to be back. I know science lesson is late, but I didn't have internet Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Finally, Monday, I now have my internet. So welcome to science. Today we are learning more about deposition. Okay. Okay, what is deposition? What does it do? Deposition is when rocks are put in a new place. Remember, weathering is when rocks break into smaller pieces. Erosion is when they move from place to place. Deposition is the new place where rocks are put. Okay, deposition builds up the surface of the earth. Look, layers and layers. That's what deposition, rocks get deposited here, then more rocks get deposited here, then more rocks get deposited here. So how does deposition build up Earth's surface? How? So water, wind, and ice deposit or put down layers of sediment. So this little bits of rocks and dirt, this is called sediment. Sediment is a mixture of small pieces of rock, bone, and shell. Bone is like the bones inside us and inside animals, and shell is like the seashell when you go to the beach and see them. Okay, what are layers of sediment? We just learned that sediment is a mixture of small pieces of rock, bone, and shell. Layers are pieces, like sheets that lie on top of or under each other pieces, that lie on top or under other pieces. So look, there's a layer. There's a layer. Green one is a layer. Here's another layer. See that? Lots of layers. That's what layers are, like on a cake. Now, this part you might remember from class. Which layer, rock layer, which layer is the oldest? Which one is the youngest? So rock layers. Look at this D. D is the oldest because it went down first. Then C is younger, B is younger, A is the youngest. Okay, so younger rocks are on top. Older rocks are on bottom. This is the oldest. This is the youngest. Okay, so let's look at a cake, all right? Let's look at a layered cake. Look at this cake. Which layer did the baker put on first? Which one did they put on first? For this one? Nope, that wasn't first. They put on this one first. She put on this layer first. Which layer did she put on last? This one she's touching is the last one she put. Which layer is the oldest? Which layer is the youngest? Think about it. Think about it. Think about it for a minute. Bam! Look. Oldest layer. Oldest layer is at the bottom. Youngest layer is up top. Okay? Oldest layer is at the bottom. Youngest layer is at the top. That's it for the lesson. I want to just review from previous lessons. What is weathering? When rocks are broken down into smaller pieces. Erosion, when rocks move from place to place. Deposition, when rocks are put in a new place. Gravity, a force that pulls things together. Okay, that's it for the lesson. Let's look at our assignment. Okay, so here's our assignment. Science assignment. More about deposition. Decide if the following statements are true or false. 1. Deposition is when rocks move from place to place. You decide if that's true or false. Number 2. Deposition builds up the surface of the earth. Number 3. Sediment is a mixture of small pieces of rock, bone, and shell. True or false? Number 4. Layers are pieces, like sheets, that lie on top of or under other pieces. Okay, let's keep moving. Here's a picture. We got to look at this picture. Layers of rocks. Look at the picture below and answer the following questions. Which layer is the oldest? A or B? Which layer is the youngest? A or B? Remember, this is A that I'm talking about. You need to tell me if this is the oldest or the youngest. This is B that I'm talking about. Is this the oldest or the youngest layer of rock? That's it for our assignment. Remember, if you don't understand, look at the translation documents posted on Schoology. Also, you can text me or email me. Bye for now.